Say hi.
You are actually giving treats to Belle.